Hi, welcome back to Affiliate. Yes, I've missed you too. Anyway, here's a platform you can use to earn at least 30 USD every single day. I hope you're still earning online. Okay, so the site is called Attapoll and it pays well in countries like USA, Canada, and UK. So for those people who are in these regions, you can go ahead and try it out and start earning today. Okay. But for those who are not in these regions, you need to have a strong proxy, an anti-detect browser, and a cloud phone for you to maximize your earning from this platform. I'll be uploading a step-by-step guide on how to register and work on this platform. So consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell for you to be notified when we upload new videos like this. Okay, so until then, bye and be blessed.